Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, interview experience. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about top 15 interview questions which is coming from recent interview experiences we have seen for the students who have giving their interview for Mindtree C&I junior engineer position. So if you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe. Let's get started. So we have just jotted down the points or the questions which are mostly coming for the students who are giving interview for Mindtree C&I junior engineer. So firstly, what is OSI model? Then they are asking about final year project. So what are the final year projects you have done and your role in that final year project, and what are the technologies you have used, how you executed, if you have uh, taken the lead role, then how you played your role. So in this manner they are asking the questions from final year project. So next few technical questions like what is DBMS, difference between DBMS and RDBMS, that is the relational database. And then they are asking from DML and DDL. Mostly they are asking about the definition and the comments like select, create, insert, those kind of statements you have to prepare very well, and example also you have to do, because sometimes they ask to write some SQL command to give the example for DML or DDL. So also I will suggest prepare a DCL also, that is the data control language. So also prepare for revoke, delete, those kind of comments. Also they are asking these questions like what is delete and truncate comment, difference between delete and truncate comment. So delete actually used to uh, delete a particular row, delete the whole row, I mean to say total number of rows from the table. Then next question they are asking like what is your favorite subject and what is your least favorite subject. So be cautious about this question, like don't say your least favorite subject as favorite one or your favorite subject as least favorite one, so don't get confused about that question. Okay. Then they are asking about the types of join, what is join. Then from the networking, their best questions they are asking like what is IP addresses and MAC addresses. Then a few networking questions like what is switch, what is hub, and again what is the OSI layer, difference between TCP IP layer and OSI layer. Then normalizations, all form of normalization like BCNF, 3NF example, 4NF and 1NF example. Next they are asking that what is the key, candidate key, primary key, foreign key. Then cloud is another interesting topic. From there they are asking IaaS, SaaS, PaaS, that is these information as a service, software as a service, platform as a service. So these few topics are also coming. And who is from the EC, they are facing this question like OPAMP, that is the amplifier, operational amplifier. And also though the students from CSC getting questions mostly from C, C++, SQL basic questions, practice questions, sorting, searching algorithm. So I will say all the best. So I will try to give more interview experience for Mindtree. If I get some another few questions also, I will try to prepare this kind of summary video where you get the basic idea of the repetitive questions getting by the candidate. So hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Please hit the subscribe if you have not subscribed till yet.